This August Mbwebe Ishangi returns. This time, he connects the untouchables of the Gilded Age with the untouchables of Silicon Valley. What he uncovers is a disturbing secret, hidden in plain sight. A truth so deep it challenges everything we've been told about power, progress, and who it was meant for. From the author of A Pot to Piss In and Who is the Boule comes his boldest work yet. From Railroads to Robots, The Evolution of Power and Wealth, Eugenics Role in Oligarchs and Monopolies. Available August 17th. Order today. Available in paperback, audiobook, ebook, and digital PDF.